Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this crystal red HRV Elegance. Walking around the car, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. They are all 18-inch. Walking around the rear, you get full rear parking sensors, as you can see along the bottom. You also get a nice convenient reversing camera up top as well. That does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. In the boot we've got plenty of room as well. You can see that we have got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. In the back, showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, you do get the full cloth grey interior with isofix mounting points just down at the bottom. You've then got full electric windows all round. You've got full keyless entry and keyless start. Inside the car now, as you can see, I will just quickly put the ignition on. As you can see, you've got your brake hold with your electric handbrake. You've then got your hill descent and your drive mode. This is Econ, Comfort and Sport. We've then got your CVT gearbox in the middle. We've then got climate control in the front, as you can see just there, with two front heated seats. On the infotainment system just here, when it loads up, we'll just quickly, when it loads, I will show you what you get on here. So you get full satellite navigation, which comes as standard on these HRVs. You then get your Bluetooth hands-free, FM, Bluetooth audio and your DAB. You do also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function as well, which does make navigating roads nice and easy. You then got your audio controls on the left with your track select, your home button, the return button and the bezel controls your onboard computer, and you do have your voice control as well. We've then over on the right hand side got your speed limiter and cruise control with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 5,343 miles. Let's turn it back off. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. This car does also come with front and rear parking sensors and LED daytime running lights. If you require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.